Ready to make some wine and gold marshmallows? First, I start with 2 cups of Cabernet Sauvignon. Your favorite brand will work just right. And then I'll add 4 ounces of corn syrup and 2 cups of sugar. I make the bloom directly in my mixer's mixing bowl. I'll use 4 more ounces of wine and 6 packs of gelatin. Stir until it's combined, and then we'll set this aside. We'll cook our sugar syrup to 230 degrees Fahrenheit, and then add it to the bloom and give it a good stir. Using your whisk attachment on your stand mixer, we'll whip this until it doubles and triples in size. Whether using a mold or pan, be sure to spray it with a nonstick spray so that your marshmallows will easily come out of your pan. After they set for 8 hours, I dusted them with wine and gold sprinkles instead of powdered sugar.